Welcome to Dark Hollow Falls, a 70-foot waterfall hike on Skyline Drive in Shenandoah National Park. Pets are not allowed on this hike. It's a steep descent with large steps down, following a stream, and man, was it busy. It's short, but very steep and rocky. Another one that I read as easy. It wasn't. Also, there is a viewing area with a boardwalk that could be the end if you needed it to be, but further down is a different viewpoint with more of the Cascades. The return climb was challenging. It's slippery when it rains. Be cautious and wear the correct shoes. See the links below for the trail's main page, which calls this a circuit even though it's not as of November 2022, the PDF link for the map, which does not have it listed as a circuit, and a Department of Wildlife Resources write-up for this hike.